Hey guys, it's Fee Oliver. I am coming to you guys live. A lot of you have been asking for my personal testimony. So today we're going to talk credit. I am going to give Facebook a little bit of time to do what it do, to have a couple of people join on. If you were tagged in this video, I hope that you will share the information, bless someone else with it, because you never know who is watching. You also never know who is listening. So I hope that you all are having a faithful day on purpose. I'm going to talk to you about my personal story with my credit as well as student loans, and I'm going to share with you some information on how my credit score went up 300 points just by working on my student loans alone. So I am Fee Oliver, the owner of Faithful Financial Movement, but a lot of you may know that I am also part of an amazing company called MyEcon. MyEcon is a personal financial success company. We offer personal memberships, and as this presentation go on, I will share with you how you can get started in MyEcon to help get the results or similar. So without further ado, guys, I'm going to go ahead and get right on down. So the meat and potatoes, I don't want to hold up your day. But if you are jumping on this live, please let me know where you are checking in from. And please share this video, guys. Let this go viral. A lot of us do have student loans, but a lot of us do not know how to fix them. So without further ado, I am Fee Oliver of Faithful Financial Movement. I am also a member of MyEcon, a personal financial success membership. So the first thing that you want to do, if you are looking to improve, increase, repair, or rebuild your credit, and you also have student loans, you want to visit nerdwallet.com. Again, that website is nerdwallet.com. Next, you will want to go and make a register so that you can have a membership with NerdWallet, okay? This is a free account. It does not take away or put any hard or soft inquiries on your credit. It is just a free app that will help you know what to work on your credit as well as your student loans. Next, you want to visit a website that's called the National Student Loan Database. If you are a graduate or if you are in college, you will have gotten this information either during, before, or after your exit interview. But if you've been out of college for so many years like myself, you may not remember that website. Again, the National Student Loan Database. You can type that into Google. It will lead you to the process to create an account. The National Student Loan Database will help you pull any loans that is attached or may not be attached to your Social Security number. Me personally, I thought that I had 17 or 19 accounts. Come to find out, guys, I had 21 accounts, and 6 of them is what got me to tell this testimony. So keep listening, and I'll have some more information for you. After you visit nerdwallet.com and create an account, you will want to go and visit the National Student Loan Database to create an account, so that way you will know how many loans you have out there that will help you take care of your student loans. After you do that, I recommend that everyone check with the IRS offset department. I'll give you the history behind all of this towards the end of the video. So make sure that you have the number to the IRS offset hotline. If you do not, it is 1-800-304-3107. Again, 800-304-3107. You want to check that offset hotline either before, not after, before you file your taxes, and I'll tell you my history about that next. If you are not a member of MyEcon, you will need that membership in order to access a lot of the information that I'm going to share with you, because me using the strategies that I learned in MyEcon is what helped me increase my credit score. So if you are invited to this video by a MyEcon associate, please get back with them. If you are invited by me, or if I have tagged you in this video, please get back with me so I can share with you how to get your username and password to get started using the strategies that we offer with MyEcon. Next, once you gain your username and password with MyEcon, you will work on what we call our Smart Money Kit. Yes, it is a Smart Money Kit, and it is definitely the right tool for you. It was a great tool for me. It helped me to increase my credit score, as you may have read in the caption, 300 points, guys. That was just alone working on the lines of credit that I had out there with my student loans. Next, you want to finish the Smart Money Kit. It took me 2 days to personally finish the membership because I was stop and start, and you had to get a little sleep, you know, get something to eat. So it's 26 videos in its entirety, but it will also give you the sequence that you will need to follow in order to have the things updated, removed, or handled that's on your credit report. I know a lot of you guys think, hey, Fee, I can do this myself. You do not want to be a skeptic. You know what I'm saying? Like, take the information. If you cannot use it, pass it on to somebody else. We do not take information serious nowadays, so a lot of people want to be skeptic. Don't be a skeptic all your life. Share this video, share the information, get enrolled with the Personal Financial Success membership. Start using the Smart Money Kit. It is a great tool that will help you not only just to work on student loans, but anything else that may be a battle on your credit journey. All right, so once you get signed up with the membership with my econ, you will run into a vendor in the end of the program called Self Lender. Now, I use the Self Lender program myself. Self Lender is a CD account. It's a certificate of deposit. What that means is you're going to open up an account. It's like a line of credit. You will use that account for 12 months. So you will fill out the application, and yes, there is a processing fee. I also have a referral code if you are interested in using it. Once you sign up for Self Lender, this program is 12 months, okay? So you are going to take out a line of credit against yourself, and every month you will pay back a certain dollar amount that they will accumulate for you once you fill out the application. Self Lender does report to all 3 credit bureaus. Now, they also do help improve your credit score. A lot of people get this misconstrued thinking it's a FICO score, guys. You are not going to be approved on anything based on your FICO score. So please note that this program will help your credit score. It builds up to all 3 credit bureaus, and once you're done, you will gain all the money back that you put in plus interest. Again, the name of that lender is Self Lender. You will get this information by being a part of the My Econ Personal Financial Success membership and accessing the Smart Money Kit. Once you get all of those steps done, I know there may be a lot of information, so if you want to replay the video, feel free to do so. But once you get done with Self Lender, you are now going to contact your Department of Education and find out which vendor has your information on student loans. So you want to go with the lender who has the lowest interest rate, okay? There's a couple of reasons why. The amount of the interest is going to double on your credit report. So the student loans will not be the only balance that you're going to handle. You are going to take care of the balance plus the interest. Now, a lot of you may say, hey, Fee, I don't need to do that. I put my student loans in forbearance. Well, I have a news flash for you. I also participated in a forbearance. But what they will not tell you is that you only have so many hours in your lifetime to use the forbearance program. So, yeah, you know, as people, we think, oh, I'm going to put this in a layaway. That's what a forbearance is, guys. You are putting your student loans on layaway or on hold, but it's not stopping the interest. So the more interest that you accumulate, every 30 days your credit is going to change. Now, if those student loans are in forbearance, you are only slowing down the interest, but you will pay, okay? So there's really no way around it. You will not delete a student loan from anyone's credit report. You are not going to stop the interest from their credit report. You may be able to dispute some negative payment history, but guys, please stop telling people you're going to remove the student loans. Unless you're going to pay them, you're not taking those student loans off anybody's credit report. The government is not that naive, all right? So help someone out by sharing this information. Stop running your clock on forbearance. That is a 12-month program, and yes, you will run out of time. So again, you want to contact your lender who has your student loans. And again, this should also come up under the National Student Loan Database, but you want to contact the Department of Education and find out where your student loans are. If you were with Sallie Mae, those accounts probably were sold to Navient. If you have not been following the student loan news, Navient is currently being sued. So you want to find out where your loans are. And some of them may be with one lender, the rest of them may be with another. That is why I'm telling you to contact the National Student Loan Database, so anything under your Social Security number will all come back with one pile of information, so you don't have to sit on hold all day long trying to chase down these loans. So once you are signed up, you've completed the NerdWallet, you got on the National Student Loan Database, you've contacted the IRS, you want to make sure that you don't have any loans out there. You don't want to have any tax liens against you, and I'll tell you my story after this. You also want to make sure that you are part of the My Econ Personal Financial Success membership to gain access to the Smart Money Kit, okay? If you have not gotten a username and password, get back with the associate who shared the information. I will personally put my link in the comments as well as the ones that I'm referencing in the video. Also, if you sign up for Self-Lender, I do have a referral code that you can use. You will also get compensated for that. Also, you want to get with the Department of Education and find out where your student loans are. So, all right, guys, that was a lot of information for you to take in. I hope that you were taking copious notes. So here's the story behind how I cash flowed the $25,000, right? So I was part of a tax lien where the Department of Education so happily reached into my checking account and took my money. So a lot of you know this as a refund. Re means again, fund means money. So yeah, it was my money again until it was not. So the IRS and the Department of Education came into an agreement where they just went into my account, guys, and they took $17,000. As you know, as you're a part of My Econ, we teach you that taxes cause debt. This was one of the most unforeseen things that could have ever happened to me, considering the college that took the money is one that I worked at. So they didn't contact me. They will not contact you guys. They will send you a letter, but as you know, if you are getting mail from the government and you move, they will not forward your information. So the Department of Education put a lien on me for $17,000, guys. That is the biggest refund that I ever would have gotten all of history, but unfortunately, Uncle Sam and Auntie Ira decided that they needed it more than me. So make sure you are contacting the Department of Education. You are contacting the tax lien department with the IRS to make sure that you don't have a tax lien. And let me give you another bonus, right? If you have a tax lien, guys, and you are a victim and they garnish your refund, and you say, oh, you know what, that's all right, I'm just going to get on a payment plan. No, honey, that's not going to fix it. So if you have been a victim of a tax lien and your taxes has been garnished, a payment plan will not fix that. So I'm asking you to trust the information and trust the system, because I also walked personally through this experience. So to fix your student loan debt, guys, you want to consolidate them. I want to give a huge shout out first to my cousin Tony Barnes for introducing me to My Econ. Secondly, to June Collier, who is the author and the editor and the producer of the Smart Money Kit. And third, for my upline, Tony Barnes is my upline, but Brian Bean is my mentor, my coach, my everything, guys. It was his recommendation to consolidate. So you do want to consolidate your student loans. It will cut the forbearance clock. You will also fill out the application, which takes 30 to 45 days to get approved. So don't wait, guys. Don't wait another month. Don't put it off and say, oh, I'm going to do it next week, because as we know, the longer that you wait, the longer it's going to take to get results. Now, mind you, I've been a member of My Econ since May of 2017. I got a 300-point increase just alone on handling the lines of credit that was showing not in good standing with the Department of Education for my student loans. So, back to the story. So, the money was taken from me from the Department of Education, $17,000, guys. I lost so much over those couple of months that I was out here struggling. If you know me personally, you know my story. So the money was taken. I thought I would get on a payment plan to let them continue to take my refund every year to pay the debt off. But we teach these strategies in My Econ, guys, so don't keep watching me. Just join me and take heed to the information. So I consolidated the student loans, listening to my upline, my coach, Mr. Brian Bean. Thank you so much, because you saved me a $25,000 debt, guys. So the 6 loans in total was $25,000. I have now cash flowed that down to a zero balance. And the payment plan, I had a total balance of student loans of $117,000. So your girl is mighty educated, but that education didn't save me from the IRS or the Department of Education taking my taxes. So don't be a smarty and not join the party and think that you know everything when it comes down to student loans and taxes. And I'm not saying I know everything. I'm just giving you my personal testimony. So if you have not consolidated your student loans, that is the key, guys. Consolidate the student loans. That $117,000 that I owed, $25,000 of it is gone. So if you see me holding a cash flow sign on my Facebook page, these are facts. These are stories sell. You do not want to continue to procrastinate on handling your student loans. So the $25,000 has now been cash flowed down to a zero balance due to the consolidation. The $117,000 that was there as a total, I've cash flowed that money down to where my payment is only $6.18. So I'll repeat that. The $117,000 balance that I had, I've cash flowed and consolidated this strategy down to where my payment now is only $6.18. Some of you may have a payment of $0. So it does happen, guys. You will fill out an application. Do not let them upsell you and say, oh, hey, you know, we can just put this in forbearance. That is their job, guys, to keep you in forbearance. You do not want to be a victim of student loans, and you definitely do not want to have your refund snatched from up under you thinking that you're going to have some money that is definitely not coming because you have a tax lien. So the moral of the story is credit is everything, right? Taxes, debt, inflation, and big business are all things that come into your life. No one is going to share this information with you on how to take back what the government will take away from you. This is not a government bashing video. I am just sharing my personal testimony on how I cash flowed $25,000 down to $0, how $117,000 balance, my payment now is $6.18 due to using the strategies that I learned in my econ, guys. So I also want to give a huge shout out to Mr. Cedric GMC Williams for sharing with me another option that also helped put another 40 points on top of my credit score, guys. So information does change this situations. We do not have any prospective persons. As you know, the Lord don't have a prospective person. I am not his favorite. I am just one that's here to share the information. So if you have found value in this membership, in this message, and you would like more information, or you would like the steps on how you can complete your financial success membership, how you can handle your student loans, I'm not saying your payment going to be $6.18, and Lord knows I hope you don't have a balance of $117,000. So in the event that you do, there is hope, guys. So don't wait, don't procrastinate. Get off the couch, do something with yourself. Y'all saw the commercial. So do something with yourself, guys. Your credit determines how people are going to treat you. It also determines how much or how less you're going to qualify for. It also determines on the quality of your life. It also determines on how many more taxes, or how much more debt, or how much more inflation, or how much big business is going to keep you on the wrong side of capitalism. So if you have found value in this information and you would like more, you are more than welcome to inbox me, FaceTime me, Facebook me. Please share this video. I will also be recording it and putting it on YouTube. It'll be on all social media networks, guys. So do me a favor, do your friends a favor, share this video, comment on the video, and again, if you need anything, please feel free to contact me direct. I am Fee Oliver, the owner and the owner of Faithful Financial Movement. I am out here to bless you guys with the information. That is my time, and thank you so much for yours. You all have a faithful day on purpose.